do you guys want for lunch?
Oh, that's Spanish, I think. But fruits are they Portuguese? Is it both? That means
We just finished church. So, same routine. We're having lunch. Nag-celebrate kami today for Santo Niño Fiesta. Kasi ang dami-daming ano dito, Filipino. So, actually we have Filipino community around here. Daming sasakyan kasi fiesta ng Santo Niño. So, we are going to our lunch. What our lunch today, Daddy?
Thinking about it.
No, I want to see more.
You say hi, Jacob.
Hi, mommy. Hi. And hi.
Where are we, Jacob? Dim sum. Okay, where? In Chinatown? Okay. Popogi. Ako yung naggupit niyan. So Daddy is ordering now our food.
You want to?
Ang daming tao. Dito sila nung bininyagan si Camera at saka si Jacob dito. Kasi may function hall sila. Dito yung reception nung bininyagan si Jacob at saka si Cami. Kaya masarap siya. Kaya sobrang daming tao pumupunta. Ano siya talaga? Dim sum. So, pero marami mga vegetables. Marami. Golden Dragon, Dim Sum, Chinese restaurant in Chinatown, LA. So here's our order.
I wanted the noodles.
You know already what's this? Okay. Ano nga to, babe?
Shrimp balls.
Shrimp balls. Ayan, may Ayan, ito yung pinakamasarap. Ano nga to, babe?
Sesame balls.
Sashimi balls. Meron siyang sa loob. Ano ba yan? Ano yung nasa loob, babe? Parang beans? Something.
Red bean.
Red beans. And this is Chopao. This is favorite. Jacob and Cameron's favorites. And you know already this one.
What?
The
Daddy,
shawmai.
what happened over there?
Bon appetit!
I thought it was an abandoned spot. I thought it was an abandoned spot.
Harap.
Why is it so hot?
Yeah, it's sweet. Remember, it's always hot.
Ang sarap talaga ng mga dumplings. Sila talaga yung pinaka-original gumagawa ng dumplings. So, tikman natin yung siomai nila. Of course, masarap. The siomai. Hey, Cameron. Go, Cameron. What can you say? Is it good? Ito yung sesame balls na may red beans sa loob. Ang dal-dal nung dalawa, hindi kumakain masyado. Ang favorite ko also. Pag ito kami kumakain.
Ano ba